guys, so welcome back to Revs. We have a really sad day today. We're giving away the Range Rover Autobiography Sport that we have for 2013, and we're picking up something new, also old but something new. Really excited but also really sad because that Range Rover definitely, every single time you start it up, definitely puts a smile on your face with that supercharged V8. We are definitely going down in cylinders by 2, and we ain't going supercharged, we're going to turbocharged. So let's go and say goodbye to the Range Rover real quick. We'll definitely miss it. It's luxurious, it's fast, it sounds amazing, and there's nothing bad I can say about the car. Alright, there she is.
One last look at the car, the front, the side. That's the exhaust for you guys. So we're done with this car. We got a new car. The owner of this car got a new one, so we're gonna have a lot of new videos coming up, maybe an exhaust video soon, hopefully, and we'll reveal the new car in another video, guys. So this is just a little walk around this car, saying goodbye, all that, and that's it.